Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on Ukraine travel series. Continuing our journey to explore the city of Kiev, we will visit few more important monuments of the city in this video, which are around the city center area. At 5 minutes walking distance from the Independence Square is St. Michael's Golden Dome Monastery. Famous for its golden colored dome, it's a notable place to find the cultural history of the country. The original cathedral was demolished by the Soviet authorities in the 1930s, but was reconstructed and opened in 1999 following Ukrainian independence in 1991. The area around this place is quite charming, with impressive buildings and cobblestone streets giving you a feeling of being in a bygone era. Few other popular monuments like St. Sophia's Cathedral and St. Andrew's Cathedrals are also within the walking distance from this place. दोस्तों मेरे पीछे है सेंट सोफियाज़ कैथेड्रल एंड म्यूज़ियम। ये यूक्रेन के सबसे बड़े म्यूज़ियम्स में से एक है और अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो सेंट माइकल्स कैथेड्रल एंड गोल्डन डोम्ड स्ट्रक्चर के एकदम सामने है। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू वुड बी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 300 meters. Look at this area. The building architecture here is different than the medieval European designs, and it looks more influenced by the old Soviet Union style. Next to the entrance gate, we have this information board about this cathedral. The territory is open daily from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and the tickets are available till 7 p.m. The museum is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the ticket sale for that is on only till 5:30 p.m. So ensure to reach here on time if you wish to visit the museum. This is a small size replica of this beautiful monument. This tram-like transport is called trolley bus and it's a very convenient and cheap way of transport within the city. This is now going towards my hotel. The stop for this trolley bus is just in front of my hotel in the Independence Square area. Look how civilized is the public here. Everyone is standing in the queue waiting for their turn to board the bus. हाय सो मेरे पीछे जो कैथेड्रल दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, ये खूबसूरत स्ट्रक्चर, इसका नाम है सेंट एंड्रयूज़ कैथेड्रल। दिस इज़ अगेन वन ऑफ द वेरी फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट हियर। लुक एट द कलर, कितना सुंदर इसका कलर है। So on this side we have few local shops selling some stuff. So let's go and check what they are selling. So there are Russian style hats, souvenirs and some fridge magnets. Quite interesting things indeed. This street next to the cathedral connects with Andreyevsky's Descent Street. You can check the above link to see my previous vlog about this place. Another 10 minutes further walk from St. Sophia's Cathedral is the famous National Opera of Ukraine. Named after the famous poet Taras Shevchenko, it is the largest and the third oldest opera house of Ukraine after Lviv and Odessa. Just next to the opera house is St. Volodymyr Cathedral, another important monument with impressive architectural design. So this side is the Taras Shevchenko University, one of the most popular building architectures here. You look at the color of this building, so fascinating. इतना सुंदर लग रहा है red color का. You can find this building from a distance और बहुत ही striking सा आर्किटेक्चर है इसका, मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ फेमस प्लेस। This artistic building is called Gorodetsky House. Located in the historic Lipki neighborhood of the city, it was constructed in the year 1901. This distinctive building is also known as the House of Chimeras, and it has a very strange animal-shaped designs on it. Surprisingly, I don't know why, but it is open just one day in a week. Can you imagine this gorgeous building is actually a metro station of Khreshchatyk Street. This is located between Gorodetsky House and Independence Square, and you can visit here easily by walking. Don't forget to visit this small memorial site just next to this metro station, made in the honor of hundreds of Ukrainian people who died for the dignity of their country. Apart from these places covered in this video, there are a few other monuments of historical importance like Motherland Statue, Golden Gate and Lavra Monastery, but unfortunately I couldn't visit them due to shortage of time. If you can manage, then do pay a visit to these interesting places. So ठंड बहुत हो गई है और चलते हैं अभी किसी कॉफ़ी शॉप में. इस समय कॉफ़ी की तलब हो रही है. मौसम बहुत ही सुहाना है. धूप निकली हुई थी बट सुबह सुबह बारिश भी हुई है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ठंड हो गई है. अभी टेम्परेचर मेरे ख्याल से कम 10 से 12 डिग्री के आसपास तो हो गई इस समय. बट इतना अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे कि इसको शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकता मैं. दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया इज़ अगेन वेरी काम एंड क्वाइट. यहाँ पे लोग आपको सिर्फ आराम से या तो बेंचेस पे बैठे हुए दिखाई देंगे या फिर हाथ में कॉफ़ी का कप लेते हुए वॉक करते हुए दिखाई दे जाएंगे. सो बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है. आई रियली लव्ड दिस साइड ऑफ द सिटी.